Hello and welcome to the lecture series titled Introduction to Philosophy. This lecture series focuses on National Testing Agency's UGC exam on national eligibility, which is popularly called as UGC-NTA-NET exam on philosophy. Now, in this lecture series, we do not intend to comprehensively cover all the concepts or topics in philosophy. We will stick to the syllabus provided by the UGC for the NET exam. This lecture series would also be useful for those who are studying the IGNOU's MA Philosophy program, although it is not intended to comprehensively cover the course contents. Now, we all know that philosophy is philo plus sophia, which in Greek, derived through Latin, means love for wisdom. It is the systematic study of fundamental questions about the universe. If the fundamental questions are about art, culture or beauty, it is called aesthetics. If those questions are about good, bad, morals, right, wrong, etc., it is ethics. If the fundamental questions are about knowledge, reason, etc., it is epistemology. If they are about reality and existence, it is metaphysics. If it is about reason and truth, it is logic. And if those fundamental questions are about language, it is known as linguistic philosophy. And if they are about science, they are known as philosophy of science. And if they are about law, they are known as philosophy of law, and so on and so forth. Now, in this lecture series, we will be covering about 10 units in total. And all these units' scope would be introductory. They are Unit 1, Classical Indian Epistemology and Metaphysics. Unit 2, Classical Western Epistemology and Metaphysics. Unit 3 and 4 would be about Indian and Western ethics respectively. Unit 5 and 6 would be about contemporary Indian philosophy and contemporary Western philosophy. Unit 7 and 8 would cover the Indian and Western concepts relating to social and political philosophy. Unit 9 would be logic. Unit 10 would be applied philosophy. Each of these units will have about 4 or 5 chapters, and each chapter will be divided into 3 or 4 lectures. So that's how we'll proceed in this program. Happy learning, and please feel free to write to lawbadri@gmail.com, that is lawbadri@gmail.com, for any comments or any issues, doubts, clarifications, etc. Happy learning and bye bye.